Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our DreamView channel. Now I am going to tell you about Samsung 230 liters direct cool single door 4-star refrigerator. First, we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 230 liters, compressor type, inverter, performance 4-star for energy saving up to 45%. Defrosting type direct cool, which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. Specifications: generally in the box we get one refrigerator and warranty card. Type single door refrigerator, top freezer, compressor type inverter, warranty 1 year on product and 10 years on compressor. Cost price, it is 20,990 rupees only. Friends, to get more interesting updates, do subscribe to our DreamView channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.